How's it guys? So today I have a super slim console. It's a ps3 super slim consoles. This one I have a issue where it won't switch on. You just press the power button, it should turn on and off again. See there? Stays on for a bit and off. Uh, Press again, and then do it again and off again. So this is the issue I'm having here. It won't turn on. Uh, it's most probably a hardware failure on the motherboard itself. So I'm gonna strip it open and check what's happening inside. Okay, so I mounted the different power supply in it, and here's the old one, which I suspect is dead. So we're gonna take it from there. It's on the standby now at the moment. So let's switch on and see what it does. Fan is spinning. Green light. Okay, it dies again. So when it dies again, it means there's nothing wrong with the power supply. There's something wrong with the motherboard. I'll strip the console up all the way to the board and then take it from there. Okay, that's it guys. So I have the motherboard stripped out. What I realize is the latest PS4 Slims, Super Slims. That's the one before PS4 came out, so it's the last edition of PS3 Slim. Sorry, I mentioned PS4, PS3 Slims. So what I'll do first, I'll check for any dead fuses or shorts on the motherboard. I highly doubt there is, but just to double check it. And usually, what goes wrong with them, the GPU dies, so it no longer works. So the DPU dies. I'll reball it. So I'll go and reball the GPU. And just like I said, there's a common issue on the super slims, those models. Okay guys, so here's the motherboard. It's lined up to the machine. I'm gonna use Xbox S profile because it's a nice thin motherboard. Don't need a lot of heat to remove it. So yeah, let's go. I'll be back just before the profile is finished and once I can remove it. Okay guys, so now we're heading to the last bit of the profile. There you can see it starts moving. I don't know if you can see it, but you can see it and feel it starts moving. And get the suction pin out. Get the glove closer. Get the top heater away. And then lift it, and there you go. And I'm going to stop the profile. And that's about it. That's it. Okay guys, so there's not the APU, the GPU of the Super Slim. This is with all the balls in it, ready to go to the machine. And on the machine I will solder the balls in place, so it's all how can I say, it's all soldered onto the chip, and then it's ready to go mount on the motherboard. Okay, there's the chip mounted on the machine, and I'll just bring in the top heater. Yeah, and I'll load up my profile I used to solder the balls in. Yeah, there we go. And I'll start with it. Okay, guys, so there I removed the GPU and I cleaned the area where the GPU goes on the motherboard. But now I just want to show you something here. Get the tweezer out to point it out to you. So you see there is a track damage here now. There you can see there's a track damage there. So that track is broken. And there's another one that's a bit dodgy. I'll just reinforce that one quickly. So this is two issues I have to fix. Okay, how's it guys? So there's just want to show you the GPU. It's all reballed, but there's just one point missing here. this is quite normal. One is good enough, even a few. It's usually a few that comes. It's not, doesn't ignore that point, that it's nothing there. It's like just, that's there, not no ball goes here, but definitely a ball goes here. So I'm just gonna mount the balls, one ball in here by hand, and I'll do it on camera. If I take too long, I'll just speed up the video a bit. There you can see it's all soldered in now. I'll see you in the next part. Okay, now so the APU is ready. The APU, the GPU is ready, and the motherboard is ready to go. You can see all the balls are in there. All the tracks are it's cleaned. I just want to show you. So I did some track damage fixes. Bring a light closer. Down this way. And zoom into it. There you can see the two track damage I fixed. One is with the wire, and the other one I just reinforced with some paste. So okay guys, so the CPU or the GPU is all the way lined up now. So it's gonna start the profile so it can actually solder in. As guys, okay, I'm back now with the console. The CPU has been put back. The tracks has been fixed. It's the first test I'm doing on it. Hopefully it works. If it doesn't work, I'll do the CPU. Do the CPU. If that doesn't work, I replace the GPU. If that doesn't work, I replace it again because I only have two donor GPUs lying around. Yeah, the last bit of that profile was. It would beep 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 beep. That was the last bit of it. That's before it's done, and then it goes in the cool off mode. And once it's cool off, I do a test, which I'm gonna do now. And here we go. Wish me luck. Okay, I got display on the screen. Still green there. Display on the screen is black. That can mean it's working, or it can mean the GPU it's actually still faulty. It's just giving a black display, which is quite common as well on this model specifically. I'm gonna stop here and be back if it's working or not. As guys, okay, I'm back now. So I actually had to switch off a console, switch it back on. By switching it back on, I press the power button and hold it in till the second message pop up after the second beep, and that's basically a display reset. You guys can let me know what language this is. Thank you for watching. No, I won't say thank you for watching. I'll do another small video when it's closed, but yeah, thank you. How's it guys? So I'm back here at the console now. So I actually figured out how to change the language back to English. The way I'm doing it, I just went to another console and count. So it's basically it's system, and then there you can select your language. So what I did, I went to settings, I count 6 down, in, and then 3 down, and then you get your settings. Yeah, so this one was also GPU reball, and some tracks damage. I fixed up the tracks, and that's about it. I thought it's gonna be much worse than that, but it looks like that's just final. That's what it takes it takes this console to get fixed. Not all the fixes are the same. Some can be very how can I say, problematic, so you have to go through a lot of things to actually find out what's wrong with it, do a diagnose, to fault finding, try that to actually track down the fault of it. But this one was, luckily enough, it's just the GPU reball. So basically the same GPU went back. It's not a donor GPU, it's exactly the same GPU that came with the console.